Hey everyone, so this is a 1003-66 Peck auger, so 10 inch, 66 foot long, has the steel trussel system for supports on the tube. Tube looks good and straight to me, no dings or anything. You got the cable raised lower for your hopper, otherwise your hopper's hydraulic drive. And then you have a hydraulic winch system for your raised lower of the overall auger. 540 PTO, heavy duty front jack. Looking at the flighting guys on this one, it's a single screw, but the flighting looks really good on this thing. I would say, again, 60-70%. Let you guys show up, take a look at the open house, see what you think, or be here at the auction. But really nice auger, guys. 66 foot, 10 inch Peck. Everything's free on it. Works the way it should.